Here I have taken the shape of the star to explain more about the line art as a beginner. I have broken the types of line art into 4. Type 1. Single direction. Being a beginner in line art, start with the lines in single direction till you are familiar with it. Type 2. Different direction. Using the lines but in the different direction. Type 3. Divide and do. You can divide some parts first, then fill each part with the lines. Type 4. Curve lines. Using some curved lines or loops to fill the object. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.